brighter, firmer, younger looking skin overnight? We're going to be talking about how to do that in today's video. And it all has to do with your skin's own microbiome, something we really haven't spent a lot of time talking about here on the channel, even though it plays a major role in the health of your skin and how well your skin products are going to work for you. Now, we have talked about the technique of slugging or applying a product to your face at the end of your nighttime routine to help hold in moisture, to help cap off your skin and help your skincare products work better. But when you have something you can use that actually can support your skin's microbiome, you're actually turning up the engine, the repair engine that is naturally occurring overnight, and helping it work much better. So in today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to do this. And as with all skincare routines, we always want to protect our hairline so we don't get skincare products up in the scalp and around those hair follicles because they can be irritating. They can actually bleach out your hair. Now, the skin's microbiome made up of trillions of bacteria. And the interesting thing about the human body is that the microbiome is not the same everywhere. It's not the same on your feet as it is on your face. It's not the same on your chest, your armpits, your hands, even underneath the chin area on your neck, actually all have different mixes of bacteria to keep your skin healthy. And that skin microbiome helps improve the health of your skin and repair your skin in several different ways. First and foremost, it maintains your skin's barrier function, meaning it helps your skin protect itself from irritants, pollutants, and even your body's own immune system process. Actually teaches your immune system to tolerate beneficial organisms while actually repelling pathogens. It helps heal wounds, it protects you against infections, it even helps your skin cells respond to the intrusion of ultraviolet light to prevent cancer. So it goes without saying, supporting your skin's microbiome is going to go a long way to keeping your skin looking bright, smooth, and youthful. But not any old product is going to do. You can use things like Vaseline. I know that's a very popular one, but there's really nothing in petroleum jelly that is going to be beneficial to your microbiome. It will protect your skin from transepidermal moisture loss, from losing that moisture. It will help keep your actives active longer on the skin, but it doesn't do anything to help speed up the repair process. And when it comes to skin aging, that's something we definitely want to do. So there is a product I want to talk to you about today. It's the one that I use. I use this 3 times a week. You can use it alone at night, or you can use it on top of your other skincare products as a last step. And it's called MicroBiome Night Mask, and it's made by City Beauty. And you guys know that I really like City Beauty products because of their very unique formulations. You just can't find a lot of these ingredients in a mix in other products. And I love this mask so much because you actually get measurable, visible results the very next morning after you've used it. It contains a probiotic concentrate that helps encourage, support, and balance your skin's microbiome, helping it to repair your skin cells much faster and on a much more consistent basis. It also contains Orobanch extract, which improves the look of fine lines and wrinkles by supporting the look of renewed skin from the inside out. And here's an ingredient that you don't often find in skincare, but it is so good for your skin. They've included kombucha ferment, which actually helps improve your skin's tone, firmness, and texture for a more radiant, youthful look. And again, it does this as your body is going through the overnight repair cycle, very important repair cycle that happens for skin, and it's fragrance free, which makes that really helpful for people that have sensitive skin issues. Again, I like to use this on top of my skincare products that I'm already using. So with that said, I'm going to apply this product. I'm going to sleep with this product on tonight, and then I'm going to add a clip to this video after I've washed off the product so we can actually look at how radiant and youthful your skin can look from the very first use. So you just apply a very thin amount. It's a little bit of a purple color, a very thin layer to your face and even your neck and upper chest if you like. It's going to give the same benefits for any skin area you apply this to. So if you have dry hands and a lot of signs of aging on your hands, this can be a very good product for that as well. I will tell you, they give you a very generous amount of this product. Me using it on my face and neck 3 nights a week, a jar lasts me almost 3 months. So you don't need to massage this product in. You just simply let it dry and then you go to sleep. And then in the morning, you wash it off and take a look at how refreshed and youthful, plump and firm your skin looks. All right, so it's morning. I just washed the product off of my face, getting ready to go work out. So I don't want to work out with slugging material on my skin. Freshly cleaned. Let's take a look and look how hydrated and awake, alive, My skin looks, it feels amazing, it's bouncy, and it's ready to take on the products in my morning skincare routine. So again, Microbiome Night Mask by City Beauty. I will put a link down below in the video description box along with a coupon code where you can save on this or any of their products anytime you visit them. I highly recommend you go and read about this product and how it specifically works for skin. Take a look at some of the reviews, and as always, if you decide to use this product, please come back to this video and let us know how well it worked for you. All right, time for me to go work out, but for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, you guys know what to do. Check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel and my work. I really do appreciate you so much. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm gonna see you over on that next video.